everyone, my name is Iqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be cooking. If you want to watch me burn down my kitchen, keep watching. To be honest, I'm not that bad of a cook, so that was pretty much clickbait, speech bait, video bait, whatever you want to call it. If you don't want to watch me cook, bye! See you next week! It is Sunday morning. I don't have a video to go for tomorrow, so this is what I'm doing right now. Original plan was to make something else, but it is a bit more involved. I don't know what gets more involved than cooking. It needed more of like editing time, so that's gonna come out in a few weeks, maybe next week, maybe in like 2 weeks, I'm not sure. So I thought instead of releasing a half-assed video of something that I'm looking forward to releasing, let me release a half-assed video of something that I'm not that interested in, which is cooking with HelloFresh. Hashtag not sponsored. I don't have any affiliate links to give you. Actually, every customer does get an affiliate link to give out to their friends. So I might put that in the description below. But I think you're better off finding a popular YouTuber's affiliate link and get a better deal. I've been using HelloFresh for quite a few months now, especially since I moved here in this new town for my work. This HelloFresh idea is the only one I could think about while panicking of not having an idea to replace the London vlog. So this is what you get. I'm sorry, not sorry. This is literally a video of unboxing my HelloFresh delivery box to actually cooking one of the recipes. I don't know why I'm doing this. I know because I don't have a better idea. Also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing Go To Dave t-shirt, it's basically like a hackathon swag company here in the UK. Yesterday I went to Nottingham, so this is where I got my t-shirt from. And then I kind of slept in this t-shirt. That's that. In case anyone was wondering. Hashtag not sponsored. My deliveries usually arrive on a Saturday, but like I said, yesterday I was in Nottingham for an event, so I changed my delivery to a Sunday. Now, I don't have a doorbell, so I pretty much track the DPD driver on my phone and stare outside my window until the truck arrives so that I rush downstairs and get the box. It is due to arrive in 30 minutes, 30 or odd minutes, so I'm just gonna wait here until the driver comes. And then I'll take you with me. But I won't record because GDPR. I woke up an hour back. I was going through accommodation, travel. I'm trying to book tickets to go to this event called Winter in the City. Basically a UK version of VidCon. Even though the type of the event scares me, one of the main reasons I'm going is to meet Taha. But I don't want to meet Taha because if I meet Taha, I wouldn't know what to say. So I'm scared. I don't know if I'm going to film. I might film. That's not the point of this video. So let's actually get to cooking. So just waiting for the DPD truck. Let's see when it arrives. It's supposed to arrive. Okay, I can see it. Okay, let's actually go. Welcome to my house tour. My god, this umbrella. Time for unboxing. Okay, so let's unbox with these scissors. Ta-da! Ta-da! And then I'm gonna open it. Because that's what people do. Ta-da! Yay! So that's what you get in a HelloFresh box. These are the recipe cards. And then you get this, which has like a ton of voucher codes. This has been coming way too often. If you want to use it, the voucher code is that for 25% off. I get 3 recipes per week. So this week there was chicken laksa, ginger beef noodles, and pulled chicken burgers. I went for, drum rolls, chicken laksa. The ingredients that you need are spring onion, baby corn, coriander, lemongrass, diced chicken thigh, easy ginger, red curry paste, peanut butter, coconut milk, egg noodle nest, and lime. First step is to wash all the vegetables, chop the spring onions, chop the baby corn, smash the lemongrass, wash and chop the coriander. Let's get cooking. So let's turn on the stove. This is the saucepan that we'll use. We'll spray it with a bit of oil spray. Once the oil heats, the first thing we put is the chicken.
Fry it for 4 to 6 minutes. After the chicken, we put ginger paste and red pie paste. Mix it with the chicken. Up next is peanut butter, coconut milk, you need a can opener which is not specified on the recipe card, and lemongrass. All goes in the chicken. After that you kind of stir it. I forgot to put the coriander, so I put that later on. And then you stir a little more and let it simmer for 3 minutes. I then put the corn and egg noodle nest. You let the noodles boil for 4 minutes, then you kind of just put the seasoning, which is lime, pepper, salt. I also put the remaining coriander and spring onions. Just leave a little bit for garnishing in the end. That's all. Once you're happy with the consistency, you just transfer it into a bowl, garnish it with coriander, and your laksa bowls are ready. I made enough for 2 portions, so one I'm gonna eat today and the other one sometime during this week. This is the mess that I created while cooking. I like to wash my dishes first before I eat, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Ooh, yum, delicious, amazing. Yum, 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 yum. Look at that garnish. Awesome.
Hi. So this is a different angle. Oh my god, you can see the coriander. Look at that. I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna eat it. It's made. I've already shown you some clips, but here's what this is. Okay. This is not gonna be a mukbang, so I'm just gonna do a taste test and then end this video and actually eat it on my own. I think laksa is. I'm sorry if it's like weird seeing me eat. I've never done this before. And I don't like watching people eat, so. Okay. This is so weird. Tastes like laksa. So yeah, the first time I heard about this dish was when I was living with my flatmate. She makes it in a different way. I think this is a Thailand style laksa. I'm not sure. My flatmate is Malaysian, so you get like different types of laksa. I don't know what laksa exactly translates to, but I think it's just noodle soup. I could be wrong. I don't know. Yeah, hope this. Ooh, I can like make a mountain out of this. Nice. Yeah, that's all I had. I'm gonna eat this now, and hopefully this was fun. I did not have fun recording this. Just not my cup of tea. Cup of bowl of noodles. I'm gonna go now. Finish this and then probably edit this and schedule it for tomorrow. Please tell me how if you like this video or not. I definitely didn't like filming it. I don't like cooking, so yeah. Like, share, share, subscribe, like, comment. Please comment. I really want to know if you enjoyed this, if you're ever gonna try this, if I should have picked one of the other recipes. If you wanna watch this cooking thing again, I don't know. Bye. Okay, bye. Should I just record myself eat? No. It's gonna become like I'm a really slow eater. So I feel like it'll take plus it's noodles, so I don't like slurping noises. That's kind of disgusting. Yeah.